Hi, this is Ratish Nair. Welcome back to yet another video on my channel. Today being a lazy Sunday, I decided to work on some images from the past expeditions that I've led. And while working on one such image, it struck me that like me, a lot of you would be struggling with complex images, with certain subject detection, AI, miscalculations, etc. etc. Therefore, I thought let me show you a hack that if you ever come across a situation where Lightroom subject detection is not able to detect your subject properly, or it includes more than one element that you would want in the image or in the local processing to be selected, goes wrong, right? Uh, One such image is right in front of you. It's a complex image as per Lightroom, where there is a tree running in between the two tigers that I wanted to work on. I generally, after doing my basic processing, like you see here in the basic panel, I've done my basic processing, and then I come on masking to treat my subject and my background or my foreground very distinctively different, right? So while doing that, I realized that some of these images may be found difficult by Lightroom when it comes to detection of subjects or the background, right? Let me show you what I mean to say, right? So I'm in the masking panel right now. I create a new mask and I say select subject. The moment I select subject here, you see that while the tiger is selected, the tree between the two tigers and a tree in the background is also part of the selection, which I otherwise wouldn't have wanted to, right? What do you do in such situations? You would basically click on the mask, subtract the mask with a brush, and then paint on these trees to get rid of them. But that's a time consuming affair, right? How do you kind of do or come across or deal with these situations in a much faster way? Let's see that, right? So let me delete this mask, and now I will create a mask, but instead of select subject, I will go to objects. Now select objects has two different modes. You have a brush select and a rectangle select. To do this faster, I will take the rectangle select right now, and I will just draw a rectangle across the tiger that I wanted to select. And this is what I mean, right? Now you get your subject 90% selected. There are areas like the hind legs and the forelegs which may not be really useful for you to process, but if you still need to, you can always add with a brush and then go and paint on the legs here and complete the selection, right? This is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you like this. If there are any more thoughts that you would want to share or any more queries that you would have, do drop in the comment section and I will reply. I'll try and reply to all of those. And if you've watched this video till now, up until now, I request you to subscribe. This will motivate me to come back with more such videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you find this useful. Thank you so much.